Today at Battery Gas Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2020 Hyundai Palisade. To begin this project, we need a flathead screwdriver to take out two flathead applicators that is holding down the air intake. Once you remove those two items, it'll be easy to remove the air intake itself. Then your next step is you will need a 13mm socket with a long extension to take out the battery bracket itself. Turn it clockwise until you feel the bolt loosen up. Then once you move the battery bracket, you will need a 10mm wrench or socket to disconnect the negative terminal and the positive terminal from the battery itself. Now you're able to easily lift the battery out of the vehicle itself. And it's your first time visiting Battery Gas Nation, and we're adding added value today to show you exactly how to install the battery. We just ask for one thing: just give us a like and share the video. Today we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2020 Hyundai Palisade. If you need this battery in the future or any other battery, you can visit our website at batteryguys.com and get this same battery that is offered at the national retail place. What we're doing now is we're proceeding to the positive terminal. Back onto that positive post, just take your 10mm socket or wrench and just tighten it up. Take that battery bracket that you took out and just flush it down flat. Take the screw, put it in with, get it started first with your socket or your hand, and just turn it clockwise until you feel it tighten up real tight, and that will securely bolt down the battery itself. Your next step is you want to go ahead and connect your negative terminal back onto that negative battery post. Just take your 10mm socket or wrench and tighten up that bolt as well. And it's your first time visiting Battery Gas Nation, we're asking all people that's visiting the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're adding great value of content, all installs of makes and models and boats, golf carts. We also we show you behind the scenes exactly how we recondition the world's best reconditioned battery. We take you through the whole process of exactly how we recycle batteries and what we do to recondition batteries as well. And we show you also a great opportunity as well if you're looking for a career change or an opportunity to start a business. Here at Battery Gas Nation, we show you step by step how to get into this recycling and reconditioned battery business. And then your last step, you want to go and put that air intake back into the right compartment where you removed it from. It's easy to slide it back into the hole and take those two bolts that you took out, and those should snap easily back into that those holes that you took out as well. Just make sure though, when you first remove those, just take your time removing those clips because they can break. So that's why we suggest just getting a flat head and just wiggle it until they pop out. But you just see they're easily secured back into the spot itself. And this is exactly how you install a battery in a 2020 Hyundai Palisade. If you have any comments, please leave your comments below and like the video, share the video, and thank you for visiting Battery Guys.